part 8 of the Cafe Racer build. So I'm so close to being done with this thing and I'm so excited. You can see from the last video I stripped off the black paint off the tank and the frame is all finished, painted it, and ended up using JB Weld to fill in all the little imperfections right there, and it looks pretty good. So all I have to do, little screw stuck in the tire tread, all I have to do is I'm going to take these off and get all that rust off of there, then get rid of this big ugly box. I have a small anti-gravity battery coming soon from Amazon. I'm going to make a new box that goes up under the seat, so it'll only be shown about like that far down and then up, so all the wires you can see in there will be in that box. So this will all be open again. Get this big ugly thing out of the way, and then I need to finish getting all the paint off the sides of the tank and stick all those wires up behind there and hide them better. Can't see them. And then I want to make some kind of fender on the front here. I don't know if you can tell, but I was kind of inspired by Daryl's motorcycle on Walking Dead. I don't know if you guys watched that or not, but if you Google that and then look at this, it's kind of similar, especially the front. And so I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. Oh yeah, and I got the light hooked up. You can see I hit the brake. So I think that looks pretty sweet. Oh yeah, and then I need to make some kind of mounting bracket for the license plate. And I think I'm gonna paint the tank. Just don't know what color yet, so if you guys want to leave a comment and give me your opinion on what color you think I should paint it. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw this helmet on and take it for a ride. Hopefully that's a good angle.